Hey, if you want to message yourself on the PS5 Slim, first open the game base, so click on the PlayStation button on your controller, select the game base, and now we can actually create the random conversation. So we can actually input like right here from the friends. Let me show you a random player like this one. Click on him and now tap to send the message. From here, tap the message, click R2. Now the group was created, and now go on the right arrow into the to the down button to open the view members, and from here click on this guy and tap to block the player by going into the more, tap to block, and then select the block. Now when you type any message in this group, he will be not able to see these messages. And now, as you can see, when you go back, this conversation will be still available just right here. So that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.